factory Ford Transit MSRT. It's only done 11,000 miles. It's been privately owned, so the price you see in the description is not subject to any VAT. Now, because it's been privately owned, the condition of this van is absolutely exceptional. It's only done 11,000 miles. 73 plates. You've got manufacturer's warranty till the latter part of 2026. It's the long wheelbase, finished in chrome blue metallic, 6-seater as well. So the perfect van for the people who need to carry a few more passengers than usual. The way that these vans leave the factory is exactly how this one is. Wide arches, front splitter. The colour, the chrome blue, we don't see very often. If you have a look what's available in the network, there won't be many out there. With it being a factory MSRT that I keep stressing, you'll see the plaque on the driver's seat, but you'll also know that the craftsmanship has just been done to factory level. There's a lot of kits and bespoke styling that get done to customs, but this one has just been done all from factory. The front end, the wide arches, the wheels. So they're 18-inch specific OZ racing wheels that come on the MSRTs. It's then had some all-terrain tyres installed as well. I will give you a quick glance across the front 3 seats. 170 brake horsepower automatic gearbox is the one that you would want. And then you've got the 3 seats in the front. A lot of them will just come with the 3, where this one then has the 3 across the middle. Dual access doors, so either passenger or driver's side, you can get into the section I'm about to show you just now. And you can see, and I'm sure the camera will pick it up, the condition of those seats. It's a van that hasn't been used for anywhere near the amount of stuff that it could have been, but 11,000 miles on, you can see it's just been absolutely cherished. You can tell by the condition of the suede, the leather, and then when we get to the back, you'll take in the styling, so side skirts, front and rear bumper, but then they have a MSRT specific double exhaust tip, so either side, factory spoiler, 2 different cameras. You have a ClearSight rear view camera, and you have a rear view parking camera. With it being the long wheelbase 6-seater, there's zero compromise for space, because sometimes on a 6-seat short wheelbase, your cargo space, your carrying space is a little bit smaller than what people like, but on this one, you have the 6 seats plus the longer cargo space. It's the 320, which gives you the highest payload, but you can tell by the condition of that, again, there's been no building materials or tools, anything in the back of there, but these, to me, are the perfect hobby van. If you have mountain bikes, you like to go fishing, camping, whatever it might be, you can do it in something like this, and whether you buy it business or personal, there's financial benefits. Dual access door. The plaque that I mentioned earlier is just down the bottom there. Now, not to make a big point out of the plaque, but that just tells you that this was a factory MSRT. And again, it carries a lot of huge following, really. MSRTs in general have a massive following, but one like this with the right seat configuration, wheelbase, engine configuration, gearbox, it's just a perfect van. 11,551 miles. MSRT specific steering wheel then has the carbon inlays. It's significantly wider and chunkier than what you would get on a normal custom. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, heated seats. I'll pop it into reverse. There's your rear view camera, front and rear sensors. Up on the display, you'll have navigation. That isn't standard, but then you'll also have the option to pair your phone up if you want to use your other features like that. You've got your little armrest that pops down in this middle section in case you don't carry 3 passengers or 2 passengers in the front every day. ClearSight rear view. So traditionally, they come with a rear view camera, but obviously with the bulkhead, that'll make it difficult to see. Flick that button, you have a HD camera, which goes back to the camera I mentioned earlier. Fantastic van, these. To find one in this condition that's been privately owned, because just because it's been privately owned doesn't mean that a business can't buy it. It just means there's no VAT to play around with. You don't have to claim it or charge it back when you come to sell it. So dead straightforward, fantastic condition, great colour, 6-seat. It's just the perfect MSRT. If you're in the market for one, this one's going live. Any questions about how you can buy it, fund it, or even any questions you just need to ask in general, feel free to contact me direct on my number. Any questions, I get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.